Oluchi is here. Okay, not Oluchi. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, guy, good morning.
Good morning to you, sir.
How are you today?
I am good. I'm good. And you?
Yeah, I am on my way to church, so I decided to say hello to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And the truth is coming out every day, and people are trying to see the reason to believe.
That is it.
You know, they ask this question they ask. I call it stupid question because they say you say you have gone home. Where is this? Where is this? Where is this? I think these people do not understand what is going home. They don't know if a PM can put up the factor, put up governor. The whole paper that Dr. Ngozi Adebede have showcased to the world is Obato Obieto. And I have said this to your platform before. This our sister have even not added anything on her own. The only thing I see that she have done only on her own to suspending this foolish woman. I don't want to call her name because so but then it's taking us to where we want to be. And I am just wondering if on this planet Earth anybody would think in his right mind that Obato will show up today and embrace people he used his mouth in our presence to say you are in Kaba. The same people he told you are in Kaba, you don't know. The same people he that did not account anything to him. I wonder how people are thinking this way. So, but I just want to make it brief because we're almost going now. But I want to tell Biafrans, the earlier they realize, even those men on the ground, those who have not come to the realization of that this is what is going on, those who are still looking for another way out, those who are still looking for success, those who are still looking for, I don't know what they want, but for those, men on the ground, there is policy that is no more water. Do you see it? They die here, they buy here, they buy here. No. This is government. So anything you say, you will be accountable for what you say. But because these people do not understand what a nation means, that's why you see them. They're asking for water. They want to criminate our DPM before Batobe shows up.
Exactly.
But that is not going to happen because Batobe said he learned from what happened to others.
Yeah.
And what happened to him is not because he did not lie. It's just because people did not want Biafra. There are those who did not need this Biafra. Today, my brother, I woke up this morning, I was asking myself. I came downstairs and I begin to ask myself, what is really going on? That is it that these people who don't want Biafra, outnumber those who want Biafra? Because the rate of sabotage, the rate of things people do is very, very shocking. From the history my father told me about an Igbo man. You look at what is happening in Europe today. The same people who told these people that they are not Igbos, the Arewa is now calling out Igbos for buying Fulanis. But when you go there and talk to them, they say nothing concerns them with Igbo. But now they are calling them Igbo. They buy their brothers who have come to do business. You see, when they want to buy us, they call even if you be Yoruba, they call you Igbo Yoruba. And still our people are not understanding nothing. My brother, I am so, our people are not understanding it. Look at Uromi. Look at the distance between Uromi and Alibo. That their gazette public announcement they made, they called out Igbo. They didn't say any name, Igbo, that they buy their brothers. Ask me how many times that in Wifuru, I've been Wifuru, N'Enugu State, how many times have they condemned what the killing of Fulanis in our place? They never did. But look at how they have stood up. And let me tell you, this Arewa, they will show up in